I'm gonna have me a little bump.
What is that?
Blow energy.
Blow energy? What is that?
Blow energy powder.
So what we got here is blow powder, energy powder. And there's 4 servings. Each serving is 250 milligrams. So it's a gram. And some may be skeptical. Like, oh, what is this blow energy powder? Seems sketchy. It's just caffeine in here and inositol, which has been researched to have many health benefits to you and anybody that takes it. But take it responsibly because it is caffeine. So